seeing this page. You can see here the top menu, app builder, SQL workshop, team development, app gallery. Okay, this is a shortcut of top menu. You can see app builder. You can see here also database application, workbase application. This is this one, app builders, SQL workshop, team development, app gallery. This is a standard icon. You can say standard icon, standard dashboard. This is a shortcut of top menu. Okay. Okay, this is in the right side. You can see here the about the user can see their version of, or can see their version of Oracle Apex and extra, and dashboard. This the left side dashboard showing that the how many applications you created in this workspace. I'm creating using AliExpress workspace. I created my five application, and this is showing that total table for my or total tables created in workspace 42. Productive tab, we will discuss productive tab in this lecture later. Okay, this you can see here, this is a social link. When at the top app, if you using one workspace, you using created many apps, the top apps will be shown here. This is the top user. One application or one workspace have many users. The top user will be shown here. This is a message. You can set your message. Okay, let's start. We create. We today I would shortly introduction of app builder, SQL workshop, team development, and app builder. We will discuss in depth when we created lecture on this step by step. Okay, when we create on when we press on this button, this, as you can see here, database application, web sheet application, create, import, export, workspace utility. When okay, this is all function is just here. You can see say create application. You can create your application from here. You can import from here. You can design your dashboard from here. You can beautifully create a dashboard for your application, for your organization from here. Okay, this is workspace utility. We would discuss about this later. This is a application which I created on this workspace. And in previous I said that I created showing five application on this workspace. This is showing that I created this is five application created on this workspace. Let's start with create. You can create three ways your application. You can create from scratch. In scratch, you would create from a DTL operation. You can say create your table, create your trigger, create your views. Then you when you wanna start from scratch, you can click here. If you if you have any excel, if you have any data structure or a data structure file, cvss, xls, xml, which so then you click here. This is a productivity app. This is a sample application, Oracle Apex for student, for basic learner. This is a sample demo application. You can click here for create a productivity app. We would discuss all the three ways in this tutorial, in this video, but I would explain here very shortly. When you create a new application, you would just type any application name. This is showing that appearance of menu. Oracle Apex provided by default of menu on the top of the left side of the the left side of the application. So you can select from appearance, and when you put your application name and then just create and just press any feature from which you would see in your application. Just press create application. Okay, when you put any name, then create application, then your application would be created. Okay, uh, I'm just showing a short summary. Okay, when we create it, now now I would create a form. Here you can upload your file, Excel file, a CSV file, a text file which contain a database structure. You can from choose here from your local system. Okay, if you have no file that Oracle Apex provide you a dummy tables with dummy table with data. Okay, you can select here which type of application, which type of table you wanna create in this application for demo. Okay, this is a demo application of Oracle Apex provided. Academic, salesman, vehicle speed, world population. I just click on academic. You can see here the academic academic table, and their data would be shown here. Oracle Apex, when you create next button, when you press on next button, Oracle Apex create application on the behalf of this table, this data. You can change from sales. You can see here change data and change table structure. When I created on academic, I would create on a demo application on the academic table structure. I press next. I just you press any type table name. I put here ABC. You just create. You can see here data. I just press load data. When you press load data, you can see a table ABC created with 23 rows. Create application. Uh, Apex would be created this application on the behalf of this ABC table. You can see here I wrote. You can set your any type of application name. I just create ABC. Okay. Create application. This maybe take 2 or 3 minutes on the depend on system resource. Okay. Just or Apex created your application on the behalf of academic table. I just you can see here Oracle Apex created application demo application which consists of home page, dashboard page, thesis, search page. This is reporting page. We can see here when you press run application. I just put here my username, password. You can see the beautiful login landing page in the front of you. You can click on dashboard, see search is portal. You can select here. You can from navigation menu dashboard. You can see here dashboard, see search, see report, see report. When we create on dashboard, in the front of you that is automatically created for you dashboard on the behalf of those table which you selected. Okay, this is very you can in for you can see here you can create your beautiful dashboard from Oracle Apex. You can create from here. You can search this is a type of report. You can see here. This is also type of report, and this is a academic calendar. This is guys. This is, this was a short introduction of uh, Oracle Apex dummy table. Okay, now I'm closing this tab. I'm going back. I'm just pressing a productive app. Okay, this is all type of, you can say, you can say this is all type of a dummy application which you can install on your workspace for, if for example, if you wanna working on a group calendar on your application, you can select here for how to group calendar working. You can select here, and this you can see code from here, and then those code you can would be used in your application. Okay, sample that application, I install this application, dummy application, I sample dynamics action, I already installed this application, sample tree, I already means that any application you just press and click this is created. Then I just press this install application. For this application, for install this application, when you click on install application, this is a download and install in your workspace. I just showing you the my which I install productive app in the front of you. App builder, you can see here the sample data application. This is a productive app application, sample tree application. This is three. I installed three productive application on this application, on this workspace. This is this is ABC I created here in this tutorial test. Also accounts management. This application is created from scratch. When I just show how how productive app look. You just create run application. You can store your password, then Opex never would ask you from. You can see here this is a very beautiful page in the front of you. The landing page. This is a, you can say, left. You can see this is a customer table. You can create your customer from here. This is a data entry screen. This is also stock report. You can see here. You can see here the order type. You press on. This is showing that order detail. This is wood working on like a drill down report. You can see reports, any type of, when you select on this is showing the any type of graphic you can use in Oracle Apex. So buddies, now we discuss other element of this Oracle.